The Atlantic forest of Brazil's Rio de Janeiro state is the only place on Earth where the golden lion tamarin still roams in the wild. This tiny and beautiful Brazilian primate only weighs about half a kilogram. There are just around 2,500 individuals scattered in the state. They live isolated in groups of 6 to 8 individuals which don't communicate with each other. And the biggest barrier for the free circulation of this endangered species is the BR-101 highway, which connects 12 Brazilian states. But this is an obstacle that is expected to be overcome soon. Conservationists from the Golden Lion Tamarin Association, AMLD, lobbied for this 20-meter wide and 50-meter long eco bridge.
Genetically, the groups need to exchange genes and make this population more stronger and able to survive in the long-term perspective. That is very important for our conservation strategy.
Besides the highway bridge, 17 underpasses like this one were built. They enable wildlife to cross from one side of the highway to the other. This bridge was built in 2020 and it has been planted with the native trees, shrubs and plants. And although the vegetation is still young for the golden lion tamarin, other animals are using it regularly. Lizards, terrestrial birds, rodents, bush dogs and many other wild animals that live in the Atlantic forest are among the happy pedestrians that have found a safe way to cross the busy highway.
This wildlife bridge is absolutely essential for the conservation strategy for the golden lion tamarin and for the other species who live here in this region. Unfortunately, it's only the first one in Brazil, in federal roads. Brazil, which is one of the most important countries in terms of the biodiversity.
But the goal is preserving these fragile primates, a species almost extinct in the 1970s, when there were just 200 remaining. Thanks to conservationists, that number has increased in the past decade by more than 12-fold. Lucrecia, Franco, CGTN, Rio de Janeiro.